Hello everybody, Leonard here with another simple recipe, and this time making easy pasta at home. Now, to make enough pasta for 2 healthy servings, start up with 1 cup of high protein flour for its strong gluten structure and add in 1 egg. Salt, pepper, olive oil, all optional, but heck, feel free to go crazy here. Now, mix it up roughly to get most of the flour hydrated and transfer to a work surface to start kneading. Now bring the dough together. And once you have a workable dough, you can either continue to torture yourself by working the dough by hand or just bring out the pasta machine. With the pasta machine, run the dough through the coarser setting and fold it upon itself and roll out again. This cheap method develops the gluten without any pain on your end, and as long as you have a clampable work surface unlike the one I have. Now do this for around 10 to 15 minutes and you would have the shiniest, smooth dough in the world. Now after this, wrap the dough in cling film and allow to rest for at least 30 minutes. You want the dough to be properly hydrated and rested so that you can stretch it out. Now, after resting, portion the dough to the amount you want to work with and start rolling it out the way you want it. You can make noodles of any shapes, or in my case just make thin sheets for raviolis and lasagnas. Now, you could use this to make lasagnas, tagliatelle, pappardelle, and all the other alleys. You get the drift. Hope you like the simple recipe. Videos for tortellini and mezzaluna coming up soon. Like, share and subscribe, and keep on cooking. Stay healthy, stay cooking. Bye!